In this video, I will show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat. Then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Next, tap on public profile. Then tap on the pen icon. Now set your profile picture by tapping here and selecting the image you want to add as your profile picture. Adjust your image. Then tap on confirm. To add your bio, tap here and write something you like. Then tap on edit background image and select your background picture. Tap on upload. Then drag or crop the photo and tap on apply. Now go back and your profile is ready. And that is how you can make a public profile on Snapchat. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.